So I'm making a chickpea curry with beetroot. The beetroot adds a lovely sweet flavour to the curry, and it also gives a lovely red colour as well. So boil the beetroot for it needs about half an hour. Chop an onion. Go to brown the onions in oil. Some cardamom seeds and some cumin seeds here. Garlic, fresh chilli that's been frozen, and ginger which has also been frozen. A good tip for ginger is if you freeze it, it's much easier to grate it. Just let that saute for about 2 or 3 minutes. Add the cumin seeds and the cardamom, ground coriander, garam masala, ground turmeric. Cook that for about another 2 or 3 minutes. Some chopped tomatoes. Turn that up a little bit, just for a couple of minutes. Add a little water. Chickpeas, a little bit of salt, yeah, a little bit more. So we add the beetroot here, and a little fresh coriander.